Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Google Analytics 4 step by step. If you are feeling overwhelmed by the Google Analytics 4, don't worry. You will know exactly in just 7 minutes, you will know exactly how to get started. Let's jump in. First of all, quick overview. What is Google Analytics 4? Google Analytics 4 or GA4 is Google's newest version of analytics. It tracks how users interact across your website and apps using an event-based model instead of the old season-based model. Simply put, it gives you more accurate, flexible data for understanding your visitors and improving your business. Let's set it up. First of all, go to Analytics. Analytics.google.com and sign in with your account. Click Start Measuring. Enter your account name. And then click Next. Then property name, like my website. GA4. Then click Next. From propagation, select your region, currency, then time zone, then click Next. Make sure it says Google Analytics 4. It should be a default in 2025. Select business details like beauty and fitness, in business size, then Next. Choose your business objectives like generate leads, then click Create and read the terms and condition and select I accept and click with. Now enter your URL, HTTP for non-secure and HTTPS for secure. Then enter your website link like my blog. Copy your website link and paste here. Just replace it and stream name like my website, then create and continue. All right, let's tour the GA4 dashboard. Home. Quick summary of your site's recent traffic reports, where you see deeper data like engagement, monetization, and retentions. Explore for building custom reports, advertising. If you run paid ads and want to track ROI, the biggest change, GA4 focuses heavily on events. Everything users do is an event. Page views, clicks, purchases, all events. For beginners, focus on these three key reports like real time. See who's on your site right now, what pages they are visiting, then engagement, pages and screens. Find your most popular pages. By default, Google Analytics 4 tracks common event like page views, scrolls, clicks, and more. But you can set up your own events too. Click on admin, then events, then create event. You can create simple trigger like when someone watches a video or when someone clicks a purchase button. Custom events are powerful when you want to track specific actions like downloads from submissions or e-commerce actions. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Google Analytics. If you found this beginner's guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.